A local family is hoping their story can lead to stricter laws surrounding child molestation. It was back in 2021 when they filed a complaint against a neighbor for alleged molestation, but an arrest wasn't made until last month. 23 ABC's Vanya Patino caught up with the mother and one of the alleged victims about the case and where it currently stands.
The family I spoke with says it has been an uphill battle to get to this point, but they say their goal is for no other kids to go through what they say they have been.
It's only a misdemeanor. It's not a felony, and I feel like he's not going to get a lot of time for it.
According to the California Penal Code Section 647.6, annoying or molesting a child is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in county jail and a maximum $5,000 fine, which for Ashley Laterio and her mother, Antoinette Sevilla, is unacceptable.
We are their voice. We have to stand up for them. If we don't, nobody else will. We've got to get some legislation changed because it's not working. They're failing our kids. They're failing them.
They say that's why they're speaking out now in hopes of pushing for more severe penalties. Sevilla adding her kids will never be the same. Laterio is now 18 years old, but this is a picture of her at age 12, which is when she alleges her neighbor and family friend, now 46-year-old James Edward Lee, began touching her inappropriately.
A lot of sad nights crying, thinking he was going to get away with it.
Laterio explained she kept quiet for the next 6 years out of fear until 2021, when a video changed everything.
Somebody had came forward with the video and gave it to my mom of my little brother. And then that helped me tell my side of the story and finally come out and tell them what was happening with me because I was scared for so long.
That video, according to sheriff reports we obtained, showed Lee with Sevilla's then 12-year-old son. This is when the family says they found out their son was being molested, and also what Laterio says encouraged her to tell her mom about her alleged encounters with Lee. The sheriff's report also documents Lee denying he touched the boy more than that one time and denied touching any other children. The sheriff's office interviews happened back in August of 2022, but Lee was not arrested until March 30th of this year. Earlier this month, Lee appeared in court. Now, court records show Lee has been charged with 2 counts of, quote, annoy/etc. child under 18 under Penal Code 647.6, to which he has pled not guilty. Lee now awaits a pre-trial conference, which is when the judge and lawyers will meet to see if a trial is needed or the case can be settled. Now, Lee does have a public defender appointed to him. I did reach out to them. However, because the case is just getting started, I was told they had no statement.
Lee is scheduled to be back here in court on May 26th for a pretrial conference. In the meantime, the family says if there are any other victims, to please speak out. In Bakersfield, Vanya Patino, 23 ABC News, connecting you.